So today I'm going to talk to you about beds and a few things that I have learned to get a good night's sleep. Sleep is so important. It's really crucial to get a good night's sleep as much as we possibly can. So here are a few things that I swear by. A really good quality mattress, and then I use waterproof quilted mattress protectors. These are actually from John Lewis's. They're a little bit more expensive, but they last for a long time and I think it's worth it. And also if you have an accident, something spilt or child wets the bed, your mattress is protected. So those I swear by. Then duvets. I actually use double duvets on single beds because I think single duvets are just pathetic. You roll over, they fall off, you get cold, you wake up, pointless. So I use double duvets, and this one is actually a feather one. I think it is white duck down. It's really light. They're great for all year round. And I also use feather pillows. There are some great synthetic ones, but I personally have grown up with feather and I love them. So I always use an under pillowcase, and then I put the pillowcase on top, and so yeah, now I'm going to show you how I make a bed. Right, so making our bed. I start with the fitted sheet and make sure it's pulled nice and tightly, and then my pillow. So I've got my under pillowcase, and then I put the top one on. I make sure that both the openings are facing the same direction, so you don't get the ruckles. So if you see, there's the top of the under pillowcase and the top of the over one. And let's face it, who wants to put their head on a ruckledy pillowcase? So make sure it's nice and smooth. And then for the duvet cover. Now this duvet cover doesn't iron very well inside out, so I've ironed it the right way round, and then I shall put my hands up into the top corners and turn it inside out, and then my hands back inside, grab those top corners again, and then grab your duvet. So I always make sure that the label that's on the bottom of the duvet is at the bottom, at the opening end, and then you make sure that you've got the duvet the right way round and it fits the duvet cover properly. So there we are, we flip it round, give it a good shake, pop it on the bed, and do up the poppers, or buttons, depends what it has. And there, pretty simple really. So this room we actually use for bed and breakfast guests. So I've got my beds that I have made. So we have twin beds in here, and then I just finish them off with a lovely blanket on the end of either bed. And I think it's really important to have the little finishing touches which make it cosy and homely and inviting, and you just want to jump in and snuggle and get a good night's sleep.